Walrus from Space!
Sounds like an old 1950s science fiction film. But in fact, we're creating a 21st century detective story. And you could be the detective. We want your help to find lots of walrus. Easy, right? Look, there's one now. Impressive whiskers. But walrus don't like people getting that close. The good news is, satellite cameras can now take photos of all kinds of wildlife from space, including walrus. By examining thousands of these satellite images, we can help to understand how many Atlantic and Laptive walrus there are, even in the remotest part of their Arctic home. And over time, we can see how they're being affected by climate change. And we need you for this walrus search. Be a part of a huge public science project and help to safeguard the future of the iconic walrus. Volunteer just 30 minutes or more and be a walrus detective today from the comfort of your own home. Whiskers are optional.